Hello everybody! In this video I will show you how to put video in text, something like this. Also, we're going to animate the effect to make it even better. Are you ready? Intro. Okay guys, let's do this, and this is going to be super easy. I have no idea why not many people is using this technique when it's so easy to do. So let's start with the text, okay? And this is a video film in Peru, so we're going to do the text and we're going to type Peru. Just if you want to know, just in case, I'm using Open Sans and extra bold, but you can use whatever the font you want. In this case, I use this because it's like bold and you can actually, this is good for this, okay? So let's come here to the arrow and let's make it bigger, as big as we can without destroying the video. You see, for example, here I went too far. Let's go a little bit smaller. I think there is okay. I think it's too big, and that's it. Now if you press Ctrl and you hold it while you move this, you're gonna see that it's gonna tell you when is the center. As you can see, now we are exactly in the center. So what we do, we're gonna go to the length of the video. We're gonna look for track matte key, and we're gonna put it in the video, okay? So we go to track matte key here in effects, and you can see already that there is like a panel here with some options. Where it says matte, it says none. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go video 2. Why? Because this text is in video 2. And now look what happened. Super nice. We're already on it. But what I don't like here is that actually you can see just the top of the trees. I don't like that. I want to make it better. So we go to the text. Don't forget, we switch. We're going to the text now. We're going to go to position and we're going to move the text down. Okay, there you go. Let's press Ctrl and move it just to see that we are exactly in position. There is very nice. You can see the river, you can see actually all the trees, you can see everything. Nice. Now, what else? We're gonna do another effect. This is called 3D effect and it's a basic 3D, and we're going to put it now in the text, okay? In the text. What we do is we create keyframes. Now you can see that here we have a panel now here of the effect, in effect controls, basic 3D. We're gonna play with the distance, but remember, keyframes. So we're gonna start creating a keyframe with 0. Let's go all the way to the beginning. Why? Because that's how we're going to start. How we're going to end is, let's come here, let's go like a little bit farther, maybe over here. It's very nice colors. This sunset is like very nice. Okay. Here, for example, distance, we're gonna change now the keyframe. There you go, something like in 100. Let's go to 100. And you can see that with 100, actually, it's all covered. I think that's it. I think we did it, but I'm gonna show you something else. So you can see the video goes like this. It's very nice and it covers everything. But I don't like that when the video is moving, when you can see that the animation is moving, the whole Peru is going down. You see, it's going down. Now here, for example, is cut. I don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a keyframe in position, okay? First, we are gonna create a keyframe from the beginning, like over here. This is the position how we start, okay? And then when we keep going here until the end, there you go. I want actually the position to go high, okay? So let's go here, let's go to position, and let's make it high, like here. So it's not bad, you know, like there. Let's see what happened now. You see, it's not cut it, it's better, you know, it's better. And then it finishes. That's perfect. I like it like this. So this is what you do when you want to fix this. When the image is going towards the left, towards the right, or the image is going down or up while the distance is getting closer, you want to fix that. So you can play with the position or even with the scale. Sometimes it's coming closer, but you want it to come closer faster. So you just use the scale. You put 100% in the beginning. And then when you started to go farther and farther, you just go higher in the scale. And it's going to be faster. So it's up to you. You just play with it, enjoy it, and that's it for this tutorial. These kind of effects make your video different, so you have to start experimenting. One more thing, are you following me in Instagram? What are you waiting for? I am traveling a lot and publishing very often, so it is a good way to keep in touch with each other. I will leave you a link in the description below so you can start following me. Something else I wanted to mention is that 70% of my viewers are not subscribed. What is happening? Subscription is free, so go for it. I'm posting all the time, so you know what to do. Also, if you want to support me so that I can keep creating videos like this and tutorials like this, I'm going to leave you a link in the description below where you can literally buy me a coffee. Until next time.